tubing, gas tubing, TUBING, flange joints, and valves, associated valves. So this will give a complete understanding because we are dealing with the gas. And Sudeep, do you have any idea regarding the tubing size? Maybe half inch or a quarter inch?
Now I believe 3x4 or half. Yeah.
Okay. No problem. So guys, I mean, now we know the scope, and it is good that we have done good discussion. And I believe the design review and the layout review was done for this or not, Sudeep? Design review and layout review?
Design review is completed.
Okay.
Design review is completed.
And I hope what Rakesh was saying, that there was some point raised during design review, those points are closed or still open?
That one, sir, some points are regarding analyzer are still open, that the flare pressure we said, and this online probe, that points are still open. Okay, fine. And the last question is, Narasimha and Suresh has sent me the heat and mass balance, the S2S. What is the concentration of maximum S2S? I could not understand the percentage. Narasimha, can you let us know what is the PP level?
7%.
1 minute.
Okay.
It's very high. Yeah, 70,000 ppm.
Oh, very, very high. Okay. So let us
process data is saying 9%, MJ.
Yeah,
90,000.
Design is 9%, yes.
9% into 10,000, sir. If it is in
according to the TQ response, according to the TQ response from client, the design shall be based on up to the 9%, but in the TOR it's mentioned 7%.
No problem. For me and for process safety, anything more than 1300 or 699 is dangerous, and we will consider this a dangerous category. Okay, no problem. Okay, guys. So I think now we are having almost suitable information to run the session. I am using the same sheet, Rakesh, what we have done for automation system, and let us calibrate and let us update accordingly. So here we are putting our hydrocarbon gas. It's not condensate. I will remove the condensate, and I will remove the oil also.